Men today are weaker than ever. We're addicted to comfort, pleasure, and distractions. We've lost our purpose, our discipline, and our strength. But here's the truth. Weak men create hard times. If you're struggling with women, money, or respect, it's because you're weak. The good news, you can fix it. Today I'm breaking down why men are weak and exactly how to become a strong man again. Let's be honest. Most men today are useless. They're consumers, not contributors. They spend their days scrolling on social media, watch Netflix, and eating junk food. They're addicted to porn, video games, and instant gratification. They have no discipline, no goals, and no purpose. And then they wonder why they're broke, lonely, and unhappy. Weakness is a choice. That's the fact. That's the truth that every single person does not want to admit. Weakness is a choice. You chose to be weak. Every time you hate snooze, skip the gym, or waste hours and hours on YouTube, you chose to be weak. When you lie to yourself and say you'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes, and the longer you stay weak, the harder it gets to change. Modern society is designed to make men weak. From the moment we're born, we're bombarded with the message that it tells us it's okay to be soft, lazy. Schools don't teach us discipline or resilience. Social media promotes vanity and instant gratification, and media glorifies weakness as a progress. But here's the reality. Weak men do not survive. They don't attract women, they don't build wealth, and earn no respect. They're the ones who get left behind. And if you're sitting there thinking, well, that's not me, I've got news for you. You're probably weaker than you think. Let's talk about what happens when men are weak. First, women lose respect for you. They don't want a man who's lazy, unmotivated, and addicted to porn. They want a leader, someone who's strong, disciplined, and ambitious. If you're not that guy, don't be surprised when you're single and stuck in a dead-end relationship. And secondly, society doesn't reward weakness. The world doesn't care about your excuses. It doesn't matter if you're tired, stressed, or depressed. All it cares about is the value you provide. If you're not bringing anything to the table, if you're not bringing any value, you're not going to get anything back. You are useless. Weak men create hard times. When men are weak, families fall apart, economies collapse, and society collapse. Look around you. Do you see strong men, capable men leading the way? Or do you see such a bunch of losers who can't even take care of themselves? Now, we've covered the problems. Let's talk about the solution. You can't change the world, but you can change yourself. And if enough men do that, we can change the world. And here's how to start. First of all, take accountability. Stop blaming society or your parents or your circumstances. The only person, responsible for your life is you. If you're weak, it's because you've chosen to be weak. But the good news is you can choose to be strong, by starting to admit to yourself that you are weak and committing to change. Discipline is a foundation of strength. Start small, like waking up early, working out, cutting out the junk food, create a daily routine that pushes you, out of your comfort zone. Just remember this. Discipline is choosing what you want most over what you want now. Weak men have no purpose. They drift through life chasing pleasure and avoiding pain. If you want to be strong, you need a mission. You need to ask yourself, what do I want to achieve? What kind of man I want to become? Write it down or whatever and go after it every single day. Get rid of the things that are making you weak. Like delete social media. I know it's hard, you know, most of you guys gonna be like, well, I can't delete social media. I gotta stay updated about my friends, this and this and this and this. I know, I've been there. It is hard, but just fucking try to delete it. All right? Quit porn. Stop wasting time on video games. Replace those with good habits that make you stronger. Start reading, learning new skills that can make you money. Start working out, to lose some fucking weight if you're fucking fat or something. And maybe build some muscles if you are, skinny. I used to be skinny. And I was very insecure about it. And if you are very insecure about the way your body looks, means you're weak. And I had to make a choice and change it. It was very hard. It took a lot of time. But I can say that I'm very happy with the way I am right now. And I still need more improvements. And that's how should a man look at things. There's always room to get better, to get stronger, to get more resilient. And other thing is, surround yourself with strong men. Some of you are gonna find this difficult because maybe you love hanging out with your current friends. They are fun to be around. They are funny. But that's not gonna last forever. Those guys are a bunch of losers, and they're gonna drown you with them. So that's when you should consider being around strong, capable man. You become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If your friends are weak, lazy, and unmotivated, you'll become the same. So you need to find men who'll push you to be better and hold you accountable. Being strong is hard, but being weak is harder. Weakness leads to regret, shame, and failure. Strength leads to confidence, respect, success. When you're strong, you attract better opportunities, better relationships, and a better life. But here's the catch. You have to do the work. No one is coming to save you. That's for sure. Just stop hoping that there's a miracle that's going to happen that's going to change everything, or someone is going to come and, just give you the life you want. That's never going to happen. That's just bullshit. No one is going to hand you the life you want. You have to earn it, and the sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. Man, it's time to wake up. The world doesn't need more weak, useless men. It needs strong, capable leaders. It needs men who are willing to take responsibility, work hard, and make a difference. If you're tired of being weak, if you're ready to change your life, then start today. Take the first step, build the habits, do the work, and remember, hard times create strong men, and strong men create good times. The choice is all yours, buddy. See you on the next one. Take care, my friend.